Today we're going to show you our recipe for Tuscan Butter Shrimp. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Alright, so we're back and we're doing a recipe video today for our Tuscan Butter Shrimp. And now we're going to go straight to the recipe.
So first we're going to go with the ingredients. You need heavy whipping cream. You need basil. Now it calls for fresh basil, but we actually have just started using the dried basil instead. It's just cheaper, and if I forget to put it in there, I haven't wasted my money on buying the fresh, but you can buy the fresh if you want. A pound of shrimp, a lemon for garnishment at the end, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 cloves of garlic I've already minced, cherry tomatoes. We use penne pasta for that. Doesn't have to be that, but that's the one we like to use. And spinach. And that's all it takes to make it. So here we're going to start. I forgot to mention that you need oil and salt and pepper for this. And so you see I put avocado oil in there. The recipe calls for extra virgin olive oil, but we just tend to use avocado oil. When the oil starts shimmering, you add the shrimp to it, and I've already prepared the shrimp by seasoning it with salt and black pepper. And so as soon as that's shimmering, I'm going to add that, and we'll pick up there. Okay, when it starts shimmering, you want to add the shrimp to it. You can do that. And mention while we're doing this, Joel has already put the pasta on boiling. Normally we do this together, but one of us is recording right now, so we're a little more challenged than normal. All right, so we're gonna leave the shrimp like this for about 2 minutes. We're looking, and then we will turn that, flip it over to the other side and take it off as soon as it's opaque. And then from there we will add butter to the skillet. Everything's better with butter in it, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. We actually set a timer so we would turn it at 2 minutes. But if you are a really good cook, you probably are just going to be comfortable with just flipping it when you feel like it's ready. As much as we cook, believe it or not that comfortable with cooking like that. So that's one of the things to our channel is that it's okay. You can learn as you go. You'll be all right. You don't have to be an expert cook to save money. Okay, so Joel says go ahead and start turning them. So we got that. I think I got them all turned over. All right, so at this point, we're just gonna wait for just it'll be like maybe a minute. It does not take long for it to get opaque. I think it's probably good, don't you? Okay, I'm gonna start pulling up the ones in the middle. So at this point, we're gonna be taking the temp down to medium, and then we're gonna add our butter. In just a second, we're going to add minced garlic to it. Okay, we had to take just a break for a second so that Joel could strain the pasta noodles. And so the butter melted, and then I added the garlic. And you just want to wait until it's fragrant, like about a minute. And then after that, you add the cherry tomatoes. And you're just waiting for them to burst. And you season them with salt and pepper. And then 3 cups of spinach, and we don't bother to actually measure it out. We just basically buy a 5-ounce container of spinach and use the whole thing. So not really 3 cups, but And you're basically waiting for it to wilt down to nothing, because that's what spinach does. And some of them try to escape. Do that. You see, it's basically wilted down to nothing now. And you stir in the heavy cream, which is half a cup. A quarter of a cup of Parmesan cheese, which I've already shredded. And the basil, which, you know, like I said, it was supposed to be a quarter of a cup and of fresh, and so I don't have fresh, so I just do like that. It's already simmering, looks like. So we're just going to reduce the heat to low. Then we're going to simmer that for about 3 minutes. We're basically wanting it to reduce down to more of a sauce. We'll pick back up in about 3 minutes. Okay, so now at this point, it's a little thicker than it was. We're now going to return the shrimp to the skillet. And you're basically just going to try to let it heat through a little bit. And then after you're done with that, you basically garnish it with a little more basil and squeeze a little lemon. And when we put our plates together, we put a little pasta in there, a little of this, and then we sprinkle a little more Parmesan cheese in it. So, put a little more, sprinkle a little more basil on top, and that's it. We will show you the finished product, which will be on our plate with some pasta on it.
All right, so here's the finished product. We got a bowl of it right there. That is, whoops, there we go.
There you go.
That is the Tuscan Butter Shrimp on a bed of penny pasta. So it's really, really good. We've already tried this one, so it's really, really good.
Yep.
And we did this as a request from one of our Instagram followers.
Yeah, and a fellow YouTuber, My Real Life Budget. Y'all go check out her account. And we want to say, if you ever see a recipe that we mention in one of our meal plans, or you just hear us talking about it and you're interested in it, just comment below on one of our videos or on Instagram, and we will be glad to show that recipe in a video.
Yep. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for updates from us. Comment below on any of your favorite recipes or something you'd like to see us do on a video. And
Check out the videos.
yeah, check out the videos that are floating around there. We'd be glad for you to check out some more of our content. And that's all today for The Long Run with Joel and Christy. We'll see you next time. Bye.